2013 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi. Beautiful plum purple, crazy purple. Still got stock converters. Got a built-in X pipe. Then we did a resonator delete on it. And we left it back to mufflers, rear mufflers, mid mufflers, whatever you want to call them. We took out the mid mufflers or resonators. I'll let you guys hear it. It's running now. We'll let you hear it when they rev it in a minute. Go ahead. Yeah, that's perfect, I think. What do you think? Drive it and see. We can always make it louder. Had two flow masters on it in the middle, we took them off. Okay, here, before there was nothing. Do me a favor, when you leave, get on it real good. Yeah.